हाय किड्स, अब हम जानते हैं ABCD अल्फ़ाबेट के बारे में यूनिक तरीके से। किड्स, अब हम जानेंगे A फॉर एप्पल के बारे में। A फॉर एप्पल, दिस इज A फॉर एप्पल। किड्स, कितना सुंदर एप्पल है, यम्मी यम्मी। किड्स, B फॉर ball, very nice. Kids, ball, B for ball. Kids, this is B for ball. अब जानेंगे हम C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. Very nice. Kids, अब क्या होता है? D for dog, D for dog. Very nice. Kids, अब क्या आता है? E for elephant, E for elephant, E for elephant. Kids, F for fish, F for fish. Very nice. F for fish. Kids, G for grapes, G for grapes, G for grapes. Very nice. Kids, this is G for grapes. Kids, what next? H for hen, H for hen, H for hen. Kids, what next? I for ice cream, I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Kids, what next? J for jug, J for jug, J for jug. Kids, this is K for kite, K for kite, K for kite. Very nice. Kids, L for line, L for line, L for line. M for mango, M for mango, M for mango, M for mango, M for mango. N for nest, N for nest, N for nest. Very nice. Kids, very nice. N for nest. अब क्या आएगा किड्स? O for orange, O for orange, O for orange. Kids, P for parrot, P for parrot, P for parrot. Kids, Q for क्या आएगा? Q for queen, Q for queen, Q for queen. Kids, R for rose, R for rose, R for rose. Very nice. Kids, S for sheep, S for sheep, S for sheep. Kids, उसके बाद क्या आता है? T for tiger, T for tiger. टाइगर ऐसा होता है। Kids, T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Very nice. Kids, V for van, V for van, V for van. Kids, W for watch, W for watch, W for watch. Kids, X for xylophone, X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Kids, Y for yak, Y for yak, Y for yak. Kids, very nice. Kids, Z for zebra. किड्स Z फॉर ज़ेब्रा। वेरी नाइस किड्स, कितना सुंदर लग रहा है। किड्स, अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। बाय बाय किड्स।